Hey Don, hi from Morgan. Happy birthday to you. 28. You made it. You pummeled through 27, and you still live. So, good job. There's someone here that wants to wish you. There are a few people here that want to wish you a very special happy day, happy year. Here we go.
Happy birthday, Donnie. Happy birthday. I'm the devil. I came from hell to wish you a happy birthday.
Yeah. Okay, straight from hell. You heard it here first. All right. Who else we got?
Hi, Donnie. Happy birthday.
Ooh,
Have a happy time.
girl, there's so much love in the room tonight. I don't know about you, but I feel it. I can feel it. And we have one more special guest. Baby, you know her, you love her. And she's coming to you live from the studio right now.
For all the joy you bring to others, I hope you're going to take some time and give that to yourself today of all days. That's my birthday wish for you, my O Magazine cover girl. Hey, it's your birthday. Hope you party like it's your birthday. Drink Bacardi like it's your birthday. In the club like it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
There you have it. Happy birthday. Enjoy the night. Party it up.